Trying to find diets that works? There's not a single person trying to lose weight who hasn't tried a diet. Think of all diets out there. It seems like there are a million diets. Why is that? Well, in the long run, none of them work. All of the different diet plans make grand promises and show off their individual success stories, and then they have that small disclaimer that reads, "Result may vary." The vast majority of diets have never been studied scientifically, and you can get reliable reports on long-term results. What none of the diet programs tell you is that when they are studied scientifically, they generally show poor results. Let's take a look at some dietary interventions that were studied carefully as reported in scientific medical journals. There have been recent reviews of diet programs in the New England Journal of Medicine, widely recognized as the most influential scientific medical journal in the United States, and in the Journal of the American Medical Association, another widely respected medical journal. One study published in 2008 in the New England Journal of Medicine showed that subjects trying 3 different dietary regimens lost on average between 7 to 12 pounds in 2 years. This is a very modest weight loss. Another study published in JAMA in 2007 compared the Atkins diet, the Zone diet, and 2 other diets. After 1 year of average weight loss for each person was 10 pounds for the Atkins diet and 3.5 pounds for the Zone diet for 1 whole year. For people who are seriously overweight or obese, this very modest amount of weight loss is often not enough to make a big difference in the weight issues. Brought to you by www.lapbandoctors.com.